Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Ram 2500 cabin air filter. This is an easy maintenance task that can significantly improve your vehicle's air quality. Before we begin, make sure you have your new filter and a small flathead screwdriver ready. It's a quick job that anyone can do with a few simple steps, so let's get started and breathe easier. First, open your glove box all the way. You'll notice two small tabs, one on each side, near the top corners. These tabs hold the glove box in place. Carefully push inward on both tabs simultaneously. This action will allow the glove box to swing down further, giving you full access to the cabin air filter housing behind it. It's a simple maneuver that opens up the workspace. Now that the glove box is out of the way, you'll see a rectangular cover. This is the housing for your cabin air filter. There are usually two small clips, one on each side, holding this cover in place. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry these clips open. Once the clips are released, you can easily pull out the old filter. Note its orientation for the new one. With the old filter removed, it's time for the new one. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow on the new filter. It should point downwards. Slide the new filter into the housing until it's fully seated. Then, snap the cover back into place, ensuring the clips are secure. Finally, lift the glove box and push it back onto its hinges until it clicks. You're all done.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.